From the coldest savanna to my little screen, you're turning simple supper to a royal feast. Steam on the camera, spices in the air. One bite of your magic, I'm flying everywhere. Oh yeah, Steely Fest, I'll serve it up high. Every little plate got a whole lot of love. Exclusive, you're doing the most delicious recipes, going coast to coast. Steely Fest, you know that it's real. From the coldest savanna to the world you feed, I'm saving every flavor you reveal, 'cause Steely Fest cooks the best meals. Pinch of that secret, dash of your smile. You make a weekday dinner feel like we went wild. Kitchen light glowing, you're stirring up dreams, turning every hungry heart into your biggest fan. Hey, Steely Fest, I'll serve it up high. Every little plate got a whole lot of love. Exclusive, you're doing the most delicious recipes, going coast to coast. Steely Fest, you know that it's real. From the coldest savanna to the world you feed, I'm saving every flavor you reveal, 'cause Steely Fest cooks the best meals. Ooh, Steely Fest cooks the best meals.
Turning the wild to the culinary rage. It's exclusive, it's bold, it's a taste sensation. From the coldest savanna to the heart of the nation. Mouth-watering magic, yeah, we're serving it hot. Everything you crave is right here in the pot. Ice-tipped winds to a golden glow, we've got the secret that you need to know. Rare ingredients, a touch of the elite. Steel lifestyle brings the heat to the street. Drizzle the mystery, garnish with gold. The greatest recipes that have ever been told. From the frozen horizon to your table tonight. One single bite and you're feeling the light. It's exclusive, It's bold, it's a taste sensation. From the coldest savanna to the heart of the nation. Mouth-watering magic, yeah, we're serving it hot. Everything you crave is right here in the pot. Taste the wild, savor the world.
From the frost on the plains to the heat in the pan, we're rewriting the flavor, we're changing the plan. Steam lifestyle, yeah, we're setting the stage, turning the wild to the culinary rage. It's exclusive, it's bold, it's a taste sensation. From the coldest savanna to the heart of the nation. Mouth-watering magic, yeah, we're serving it hot. Everything you crave is right here in the pot. Ice-tip winds to a golden glow, we've got the secret that you need to know. Rare ingredients,